You will see quite a big change on the famous British street, aka Gerona Street in Benidorm town, right now when the good weather is back. And you would think, well, it's practically Easter holidays, there's gonna be a whole lot of people here, especially when there's sunshine. Wait a second, wait a little bit, and you'll see, because no, there's not gonna be probably, maybe, a lot of people out here, and we will explain you why while you check out your favorite bars that are waiting for you during your next holidays here in Benidorm. We start right at the Rockstar. We've never tried the meals here, so we have to do that definitely. There's some English breakfast, small one, big one, starters, salads, sandwiches. There's so many things, kids menu too, and we will have to test it out, honestly, because we are curious. It's always quite vivid. Same as the jumping jacks here, the breakfast ended up being really, really good. So we're curious about the Rockstar. In general, the weather is gorgeous. You were able to see this morning the video that we've posted about how vivid the Levante beach was looking like. Obviously, the mojito sellers, the illegal mojito sellers, and the massage ladies back to the beach. And you know that the season is on when they come back. We only need to see the P-Man, and that will be like a complete thing. Look at that. Breakfast, big breakfast, €8. Small breakfast, €5. That's right now at the jumping jacks. So, once you've seen these people on the beach, obviously you know that it is game on. The season's officially started. And people would think, okay, it's going to be busy everywhere. It's going to be, especially on the British street, right? People love sunshine. People love to go outside and have some drinks. That might be true, but the truth is that a lot of people will head to the beach. It's going to be busy here, yes, but since the sun will be shining a whole day long, some people here are getting some food, some snacks, some drinks, a little bit of everything. But a lot of them headed to the beach already, or the beach bars. Why? Because the weather was not entirely great, let's say it like that, in Benidorm. So now, oh, look at that. They have exact same prices. 8 large one, small breakfast, €5. Been to the Rovers Return too. The breakfast was really, really good. We've tried it. So yes, you can go. Planet Benidorm, incredible Sunday lunch. Incredible. We had to wait like half an hour for it because we came too early and they were not ready just yet. All like the parts of the meal, they were still cooking. So it was amazing. It was absolutely amazing. Really recommended place to go. Very good service, very friendly staff, and the meals were amazing. So a lot of people will be here, true, but there's also going to be others who will decide to go to the beach instead and get some nice, typical tan from the holidays and just enjoy the beach walks, the promenade, laying on the sunshine, on the sand. That's what a lot of people will be doing. So this is why you maybe see a slight shift and not as many people here on the British street, but way more on the beach. And that is because the weather is gorgeous. Here we have the White Star, the brand new refurbished White Star. Let us know what your opinion is, because some people have split opinions. You either love it or you would wish it would be back to the original pace. But here, honestly, it's quite nice because it's semi-open place. There's a lot of light here at nighttime. There's giant screens. I feel like it's way different from what it used to be. It was a part of a history, so people were nostalgic about it. So it's all right, but we've enjoyed the giant boat. We've enjoyed how it was previously. Now it's brand new place that obviously still has some memories from other years for a lot of you guys, but it just doesn't look the same. So let us know if this is something that you like, the brand new change, or you would wish it to be the good old White Star, as I'm sure you have in a lot of pictures being here in Benidorm on holidays. Following by quite a lot of places that are opening up right now for the day. Some of them also have days off. Don't forget that it is still not a peak summer season, so some places might not be open on a Tuesday because it's Tuesday today. So it's not even like past the second half of the week. Even so, and by the way, look at that. All these parts where they planted some trees and plants, we're curious to see how long these will last with Benidorm's nightlife out here. Right by the Broadway, we are curious to see how long will it take for it to be gone. Hopefully it's gonna be nice as it should be. Oh, this strip needs some refurbishment. Does look quite ugly right now, honestly. But the trees are nice. They're providing some natural shade, so that is good. We've seen some plants there, but they didn't survive, I guess, so now there's pebbles. I think that's the latest change that's being done, because they quickly realized that having plants there, everyone will be walking over them, so it doesn't make any sense. And now it's pebble time. We'll see, probably towards the summer, how things will go. So some places here are still closed. Some places are closed for staff off day. Others just because they're operating more towards the weekend. But overall, in the evenings, almost everything is open. The vast majority of the places are open. And even those that were affected by the latest things that happened on the British Street, we have a full news update about that. If you didn't check it just yet, even these places are open, because honestly, going somewhere and checking it doesn't mean that these places will not be able to open anymore, right? They go, they check, and unless they really find something bad, the place can reopen and function normally, which is what is happening as for right now. Nice places. The Brit station here, integrated completely. It is British, mostly British tourists are here. Obviously, there's other nationalities, but the vast majority are British. Plus, it is the British street, so Brit Station was the logical name that they were able to put out here, and the design is great. Red Lion right there in front of us. Not too busy just yet, but as mentioned, you can see that it's not crazy vivid right now. And that is because we've seen a lot of like proper crowds heading the beach way. And it's been quite cold the past few days. People were just trying to go somewhere else, see some things, travel a little bit around the area, explore, go to markets, go to local bars, cafeterias, do some shopping. But right now, once the weather is as it is right now, you can see that the sky is baby blue, and it's just a great weather. There's no extreme wind either. So it's just a great spring day. Not summer feel just yet, but the temperatures will be improving towards the weekend. We should have like 26 maybe degrees maximum, which will be very cozy and very nice, not gonna lie. We miss a little bit of the warmer weather, even us locals. I'm quite sure afterwards in July and August we'll say, oh my God, it's too hot, we don't want it anymore. But as for now, we are looking forward for summer to start. Insomnia right here next door, very nice club, very good music, very good shows, by the way, indoors, and I love the design that they have. Very, very busy, especially younger generations seem to love it. Great place, always really vivid, especially when the show time is. So if you're looking forward to a club like this, that one might be the one to try out. The Crown Pub also obviously open. It remains really, really busy at night time. There's a lot of music. There's usually a lot of people coming here. I suppose it's a good service, and I suppose prices are good, because if not, they wouldn't be that busy in general. Hotel California as well, and the Western Saloon slowly but surely are opening their doors. But once again, you won't see giant crowds now, not because it is empty, but because people are elsewhere. I guess not only us locals, but those who've been here for a few days, tourists, really, really miss some sunshine and some time on the beach. Hence once the first sunny day came back, people went straight to the beach, which is why Levante Beach, Poniente Beach, Malpaz, all of these parts will be really, really busy. The old town as well. And here it's going to be slightly more quiet, which will change completely by night time. It's going to be really, really vivid. But so far, this is how it looks like. And only in summer things do change. Even so, I want to say that in summer here, there's more or less people like right now. And by afternoon and evening, that's when these places become packed. John and Joseph's, really nice place. We've tried breakfast here. The food's incredible quality. And plus, they are like full speed rockets. They work so fast. The service is so good, and they have all of it ready. There's a lot of people working here, and when they prepare, you just order, and a couple of minutes after you have your food. That's insane. That's amazing, actually. Look at that. Jet2, is it Jet2 Holidays? The bus? Probably, yeah, it is. Jet2 Holidays bus out here bringing people towards the area. And those that are coming right now, you're really, really lucky. What's going on here? What's happening? Oh, there's some road work happening out there. That's why it's closed a little bit right next to the hotel. Oh, maybe they're putting some chargers or something out there. Waikiki, also another bar, opened up already. We still have the flags, the colorful flags from the St. Patrick's Day, which it's been a while actually. Balloons obviously are gone, but the flags are still here in a lot of places. Why not? It gives like an extra decor touch to it, which is fun. 9, 10, 11 euros. Oh, that's not bad at all. For buckets, like bucket deals, unless it's less bottles, usually it's 5. But why is it so cheap? That's interesting. Well, you can go backwards and see if it's 4 or 5 bottles and then just let us know in the comments. But I feel like if it's 5 bottles, it is really cheap because we've seen some bottles of Corona and Desperados in bucket deals that cost like 14 or 15 euros. That's like the typical price in a lot of places now. So if this one's 11 only, I wonder if it's 1 bottle less. But traditionally it was always 5 in the bucket. I wonder if that's the case because that's gone quite expensive right now. A lot of hotels here nearby really busy. 4-star Superior Flash Hotel, the Calypso, the Riviera Beach, and many others, Ambassador Playa. Definitely quite a bit of hotels. Rio as well. We have a lot of these hotels on videos actually. If you go to Benidorm Hotels playlist, Hotels and Campings, I think it's called. There you will be able to see full authorized official tours about each and every single of the hotels with all the services and everything that is available, which is great if you're planning your future holidays here in Benidorm town. And great because one thing are pictures, but videos, the actual videos of the place, like a full tour, is what, at least for us, makes us decide where to go on our holidays. We'll love to see these types of videos because we find them extremely helpful, and we actually see if it would be suitable for us or not. So that is why we did those for you guys. Right now we're heading already towards the Mediterranean Avenue, and you can see there's way more people here, and that is because some are heading to the beach and others are heading from the beach back for a snack, for some rest, for whatever reason. But that is where it's way more vivid than on the British street. Some nice coffee here at the Vesta Cafe and full on speed towards the Levante Beach. That's where all the action will be from now onwards because the weather's finally great enough and we have all the green trees around us. Look at this. This definitely looks like summer in Benidorm.